Vacuum Cleaner Strong 15 kPa with the accompanying highlights. Brushless motor technology built-in latest 150 watts brushless motor with 800 hours future, 4 times longer than customary brushed engine with 150 hours, giving high limit of strange control. All the more calm and amazing, gives a stable 15 kPa suction. Detachable battery, with a 2500 mAh limit battery-powered lithium battery, as long as 30 minutes of string-free cleaning, tidy up your 1,500 square foot room on a solitary charge. Also, get an additional battery for 60 minutes runtime. Is financially savvy than other brands. The battery could be charged independently. Lightweight and versatile, comes with 2 workable connections for included flexibility. 3.5 pounds lightweight primary body makes it worked by one hand effortlessly. Quick clean the residue on couch, stairs and furniture. Best decision for home cleaning. User-friendly, LED headlights lights up the dim corner. Battery marker demonstrates the level. 2 sorts of capacity take less space. Launderable HEPA filter you need to supplant it like clockwork, and more refined plan. Environment friendly, made of economical material with such brilliant properties as lightweight, heat protection, sound engrossing, stable and feel better, high effectiveness filtration framework to ensure the air staying new. Have elite and dependability at the same time. Successfully diminish the ecological contamination. HEPA channel. Replacing your channel is fundamental for keeping up the exhibition and life of your vacuum.